sometimes you have to lose hope in what other people possess or what you think other people possess. Said, lose hope in what other people possess, because you might have something and then you see what someone else has and then suddenly what you have is insufficient. Whereas if it was just you, if you didn't know even that that blessing exists, you'd be satisfied. But because you've seen their house, because you've seen their car, because you've seen their spouse, because you've seen their life, because you've seen all that they're putting forth, suddenly everything is insufficient for you. And you're constantly after what someone else has. And especially when it comes to the matters of this dunya, the matters of this world. One of the sayings from Ata rahimahullah, don't compete with the people of dunya over their dunya. Don't compete with the people of this world over their world. And so it's recalibrating, as we talked about previously, but it's also reactivating, right, towards that pursuit that you really should have. Pursuing the akhirah without hating people or envying people or seeing your blessings as very little because you think you're seeing someone else's blessings as a lot. You're advising someone who's thinks that your life is amazing or your life is great. Have you ever sat with someone and they thought you were doing well and you were going through something as well and they're complaining to you about life and it's like, hey, you just don't know what I'm going through. Every one of you nodded your head. Just because I'm not telling you what I'm going through doesn't mean that I'm not going through something, right? But is there a moment, maybe you can share something anonymous where like you either realized a blessing that you had or someone who you thought had it all and they didn't have it all, right? The blessing was, wow, subhanAllah, they're actually going through a lot of hardship, or someone who didn't appreciate your hardship.